Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we're gonna do a get ready with me. I have some new makeup that I want to try out, so I figured we're gonna do a get ready with me. So if you're interested in seeing the products that I'm gonna be using, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. I'm also going to go off camera, do my brows, and I will be back. So we're going to prime our face. We're going to start out with the primer serum from Wet n Wild. I've been really loving this primer serum for the spring and summer. Then for filling, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is my favorite primer of them all. So I like the combination of this primer and the primer serum, because I want my skin looking nice and fresh. I've been really liking lighter foundation lately. Then I'm gonna go ahead and try this Milani Cream to Powder foundation. This is probably like my third time trying this, and I use a brush to apply most of it, and then I go in with a sponge. I really like this. I think for oily skin, this is pretty good. I want to try it with a mattifying primer just because I do get a little bit of oil that seeps through, because like I said, I have oily skin. So about the 4-hour mark, this starts to get a little bit oily, and you either have to blot your face with a powder or one of the blotting sheets. So next is concealer. We're going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is the hydrating one, and I actually like this one better than the regular one because it's hydrating and I have fine lines under my eyes, so it doesn't leave it too drying. I just have to put less powder when I do set it. And I've been putting it like this so it lifts my face a little bit more, because you know, mama's got some pounds on her right now. But yeah, I'm blending it out with my beauty sponge, and then just making sure that everything is nice and blended in with the foundation. Next, for powder, I'm going to be using the Essence Loose Skin Powder, and this is in the color 10 Fair Light. And I'm using this powder puff. I don't know where this powder puff came from. I think it's from my Laura Mercier mini, but I'm using that under my eyes. And this made my under eyes look a little bit heavy, so I would suggest probably using just a light brush when doing it. And then I'm gonna contour my face. I'm using the ColourPop foundation stick, and I'm using a contour brush from Luxie, and I'm using that to blend out all the contour. This color is so nice when I'm a little bit tanner, and this foundation is a tiny bit light, so it does look a little deeper than what it's supposed to, but we made it work in the end. And I really enjoy cream contouring and cream blush. So the blush that I'm using today is the ColourPop Cheek Dew Blush Serum. I forgot to show which one I used, but I'm obsessed with the way that this makes my face look. It looks just so healthy. I love them. Then I'm using this coconut bronzer from ColourPop, and I'm just setting the contour that I did with the foundation stick. And I really like this bronzer. This is the second bronzer that I tried from ColourPop, and I'm obsessed. I really enjoy ColourPop products a lot. And then going into blush. So for blush, I used a small little mini blush that I have from Kaleidoscope Cosmetics. Then for highlight, I used the Physicians Formula Rose Gold highlights, and I really love the way that this highlight looks paired with the blush. And I used a little bit of that highlight in my inner corner just to bring a little bit of light to my eyes. Then I sprayed my face with the Fresh AF 4th Ray Beauty Spray, going in with the Big Papa Wet n Wild mascara. And I have been testing this mascara out. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. I'm not fond of the wand, but the formula is okay, so we're gonna go with that. And then for lips, we're gonna go with a nude. I'm using the LA Girl nude lip liner, and I decided to fill in my lips versus just lining my lips. And then I am using the Morphe liquid lip in the color Taunt, which is the perfect shade to go with this lip liner. But I gotta tell you, I haven't wore matte lips in a while, so this was extremely drying to my lips. Definitely use a lip balm. Okay, so this is what we did just because I have to run out really quickly, but so this is the final look. I did do a separate video for my eyes just because it was going to be a super long video, and I just was like, we'll just make it into 2 videos. But this is the final look. This is usually how I go out when I'm running errands. And yeah, testing new makeup. The foundation I really enjoyed. The serum blush I really enjoyed. The mascara I'm still working on. What else was pretty new? Everything else was kind of not new. Oh, the bronzer from ColourPop is pretty good, and I enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the support. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. Please let me know in the comments any videos that you'd like to see in the future, because I am out of ideas. Thank you so much again for the support, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.